Go live. Morning, YouTube. How you doing, guys? Guys are ready to watch another stock market live? Yeah, got a nice view back there, guys. I'm having so much fun with you guys right now. Well, I started doing a live before, but I wasn't able to share my screen, so I had to basically restart and do a new live right now. But we're gonna look at Tesla earnings calls. It was yesterday. We saw what happened. If you're a really investor, you know what happened with Tesla's earning calls today. One was good, one wasn't so good, but we're gonna look at it together today, guys. Let's check it out right now. Let's look it up real quick right here. This is where I have it. So Tesla's earnings reported third quarter earnings after the Bell share fell by more than 4% after hours after the result closes. Earning call was a beat of 1.05 versus 99 cents per share just as expected. So that's really good, guys. And what we really messed up a little bit, that it's not a big deal, guys. I don't know why people are making a big deal out of it, but it's not a big deal. And the revenue came into $21.45 billion versus $21.96 billion. So we probably short $500 million. I'm assuming something like that, which is not really a lot. We have $21 billion in revenue right now, cash at hand, where you can create more new factories, you can innovate the company, probably invest a little bit more on the self-drivable car, or maybe another factory so we can have the truck. Remember, we're waiting for the truck. I always forget the name of the truck, but yes. The company didn't make that many cars. Let's see. The company previously reported that it delivers for the quarter ending September 30 reached 343,000 vehicles production and reached 365,000 deliveries at the close. Approximation of sales reported by Tesla shares have dipped more than 17% since that weekend reported on October 2nd. Yes, the sales are a little bit down, but remember, we have the economy and the government, which is bringing down the economy, squeezing us, basically, to slow down the market. And that's not fair to us. At least the regular people like me and you, that have regular jobs, 9-to-5 jobs. This is not fair. Everything is so more expensive, and people are really struggling, guys, to pay the rent, to pay the bills. It's a little bit tough out here, guys. But let's see. The US dollar continues to soar. Gives everybody is coming to buy bonds, U.S. Treasury bonds, and that's why all of the markets are really hurt, except the U.S. dollar. Like not the markets, I mean all the other monetary systems, any other government, even the pound, as you guys know, it's really bad. Let's look at Tesla right now, guys. What are we looking at? 211. See, we had a dip from 221 to 24 to 211. It wasn't a big drop. What was that? Like a 5% drop? Let's see. Yeah, like a 5% drop, guys. So I'm still very in Tesla. Like, I want to invest into it. I haven't yet bought any Tesla. Not yet. I used to own it like a couple of years ago. I bought some. I was trying to buy it when it was like at around $700-800. Not this time when it did the split. Before that, when it went to almost $2,000. There's not so much demand right now because people can't really afford new cars. Nobody's up to getting new loans with higher rates, just to own a Tesla. Like, I mean, a lot of people do have money and they could do it, but the people that, want to have a Tesla, which is the regular citizen, that's the people that you really want to be buying the Teslas. So yeah, the rich can buy it any day of the week. We see this is a lot of rich people buying Teslas. At least at the beginning when the company came out. Now it's becoming more affordable. Even I have thought about purchasing a Tesla myself. But that's in the future. I want to pay off the car that I have now. Get myself into a house. Once I have my house and everything is like, I can pay everything, no problem. Have extra cash, my car's paid, then I can move forward and get myself a Tesla. We're talking about a year, 2 years in the future, But yeah, this is my M1 finance. It hasn't moved up. I haven't had any money yet. I was thinking to maybe own some Tesla here, but this is more like my dividend account. I am trying to make this one strictly only dividends. On Gemini, I have a little bit of coins. Let's look at the market first. Let's go to Webull. Webull is a little bit better. So we have the Vanguard today. Let's look at BOO. BOO is up pre-market. Ooh. The Nasdaq took a dip yesterday. It was a lot of pain yesterday, guys. You know what? For some reason, I thought it was gonna be like a level day, not green, not red, or maybe a little bit of red, but it was just very red yesterday. But it's alright, because remember, we had like 3 days straight that was just green. Stocks were going up like crazy. So, the market needs to breathe. Let's look at QQQ. QQQ is still good to buy. Wow, this is the lowest QQQ went to. Let me see. This whole year, oh yeah, 254. That's the lowest. Yes, I feel like QQQ right now is a good buy. The highest it was, let me see. Oh my god, 406. That we're talking about 50, 60, percent, 50-60% gains. Wow, I like the QQQ, guys. I always pre-market. Things are move very slow. Let's check this. We gotta make sure. This is. It's looking pretty good at $98. I'm just not happy that they are not paying dividends. Everything is open. They reopen everything. Why are not the dividends not back? Like and subscribe, guys. This is my channel. I'm gonna do pre-market lives and then after markets every single day. Like and subscribe, please. I really appreciate it. And what I was gonna say is that Disney is doing really good. Disney Plus is killing it. The parks are, I guess, coming back slowly. There's no more pandemic or anything like that, so the companies should start kicking off. Even though there's a lot of pain in the market, So $98. To me, I'm buying Disney Plus. Disney. This is not financial advice, guys. This is me sharing my own personal investments, how I look at stocks, and how I could decide that I wanted to invest in it. Bank of America. I own Bank of America. I'm trying to see how much is the dividend though. Verizon, I used to own Verizon, but Verizon right now, I'm waiting for the earnings. See how the earnings come out, then I'll make a decision. Robinhood is still holding off between the $9 and $10 range. That's where it's hovering. I feel like that's the floor for Robinhood and stuff. In the future of Robinhood, guess they stuff together and they start doing a little bit more of transparency and not holding stocks wherever they want. And they could come back, but they need to do a lot of work on the company, because a lot of the retail buyers like me, I have bought some stocks sometimes when they going up like crazy on Robinhood, and it's either you can't buy or it gets halted in the way up, halted in the way down. Also, you purchase it for you purchase the stock for one amount of money, and then it gives you a different amount of money. So Robinhood has a lot of work to do. Peloton too, but Peloton, I feel like that if this company survives, it's gonna be a really good company, because of all the contracts and the way they do business. Their branch is very needed, especially now that we becoming more like that data wise. We do an analysis of any kind of data for anything, to improve a house, to improve a road, to improve a car, to improve a ship, to improve our own selves, our own lives, to be more productive. We use data. We analyze the data and then we make decisions from there on. Yeah, guys, that's pre-market $212, guys. We're down 9%, I guess. This is nothing. Tesla will come back in a couple of days. It's one of the stocks that I really like, guys. Walgreens pays really good dividend too, guys. Let's see. Dividend yield 5.75, 1.9. Wow. And it yields at 5.75%. Let's see. Open high. Let me see 52 weeks low. Looking at the 52 weeks low, it's 30 bucks, 39. 52. Do they have 52 weeks high? It's $55. So hey, right now it's not a bad price to get some Walgreens. At $30, $39, you're paying $3 more, but it was at 55 at some point. And this is a company with strong fundamentals. A lot of money on their back too. It's been around for a long time. Yeah, and I like to show whatever I own. I don't own that much companies, guys. I'm just starting right now. Want to make my portfolios, of course, bigger than this. Nasdaq, wow. Nasdaq's looking amazing, guys. Let's look at the 5 years. See? If you buy Nasdaq before, Nasdaq was $25. Right now it's 55. In October 2021 it used to be at 69. Lowest it got. So 49 bucks. It's a little overpriced right now. But I did pay more. I did pay higher than this. My average cost is 57.43, guys. I think it's at 55. So hopefully next week I can make some more buys, some more purchases. You know. Let's check SPY. S&P 500 is climbing up slowly. It's coming back. It's only down for the month 3%. For the 3 months it's down 5.81%. For the year it's down 18%. That's a lot, guys. We should be up, if anything, 18% plus another 9%, because usually the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the BOO, that's what they usually offer or guarantee a little bit of, return every year. It'll be between 9 and 10%. I'm looking at Alphabet right now. My average cost on Alphabet is $97.16. I own $15 worth of it. So it's not really looking bad. Look at Alphabet. Let me see for the year. How much down is it? It used to be 146, guys. And it is right now $100. So we're talking about like 40 to 45%, guys. It's gonna take a while for Alphabet to go back up there, but you see we had a little major dip over here. This was when everything was really bad in 2020. Once everything recovered, we was doing very good. We went from a low of 55 to a higher of 148. That's basically, we're talking about 200x almost. That is amazing. Right now we are at not 95 today, 100. So you can at least gain some 50%. I feel like Alphabet's on discount right now. At least for this quarter, this end of the year, most companies are gonna be on discount, And I know people don't want to hear this, but it's alright if they stay a little bit down, so we can, have enough time to buy. You don't want everything to come down in 1 week and then go all the way up in another. We want a little bit of time so we can distribute our cash, and because we can't really time the market when it's going to be the lowest or when it's going to capitulate and stop going, down, and we're going to see an upside. But yeah, let's look at my TD Trade account. Something was wrong, guys. Yeah, I got Coinbase. I use Coinbase. Since I couldn't get into TD Trade, we're gonna talk about some crypto. We gotta look at the crypto market too, guys. Someday the crypto market will be our 12th sector, guys. Me personally, I own AMP. And I want to show it to you guys. Alchemy. These are my two players, and I was going to show you in Gemini. I have these are growth coins. I'm looking for gains over here in these two coins. The real ones, I have them here on Gemini. I have Polygon. But I'll show it to you guys later. when I do my other life later. Let's look at some news, guys. Let's look at some news. UBS have released its annual house price bubble report. Here are the most overvalue markets. What I'm looking at right now is that UK is really bringing us a lot of problems. Let's dive into this a little bit more. See what's going on with the bond market and the pensions. And you know, the Prime Minister Liz Truss see what's going on. As investors assess the remarkable turnaround in fiscal policy from one of the world's number 6 economic of the Ukraine, conclusion shortly that the nation's financial stability is limited by willingness of the market to finance, ending MMT. The international lesson, the Ukraine declarable popularly selling fiscal pipe dreams. So yeah, the Ukraine's with the new prime minister, they thought she was gonna have all the answers to everything, but things are going a little bit south over there. You guys have a good day. I gotta go. Have a blessed day. Be blessed. See you around. See you guys later.